Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this laser machine or hair removal device. This is a package which I have received, and looking at it we have some features here, like it could be used like different applications of this product. So it can be used on the leg, could be used on different bikini line or backside, arm, armpit or face. So it has some information about like different skin types and also different type of hair that someone has. So basically based on the type of skin and the type of hair, you could see if this one can be used by you or not. So quite informative, I would say. It's very important fact, because if it doesn't fall into these categories, it won't work basically. Well, let's open this up and check out what we have got inside it. So let's just remove the plastic. Oops. So the box is quite premium, I would say. Feels quite good, very well packed. Alright, this is how it looks like. So again, it can be opened from the top like this. It looks very similar to the usual models from devices like Philips or Brown even, so they look pretty much the same. I mean, completely identical to me. And that's what we have got inside the box. So there is a user manual. So it comes in different languages as well. So let's check it out in English. So the product comes with the main machine, the adapter, the user manual. There's a razor inside it as well for shaving. It's very important with this device. One should actually shave before using it. And the product structure, so the function button, turn on and off, the amount of the battery left. There's LED screen, I'm not sure for what. And skin sensing indicator. So it's a kind of light to show that it's locked on the skin. I will show you. I'm quite familiar with this product. I have seen it, I have reviewed a couple of more as well. And this is the intensity. The higher the laser and the more effective it will be. How it works is actually, I think with the laser, it actually burns the root of the hair. And that's how it works. A kind of IPL technology, I would say. And it shows how it works. So basically, for the first time, you need to do twice a week for the first 1 to 4 weeks. After that, between 5 to 8 weeks. And after 8 weeks, every 1 or 2 months. So if you continue doing this, basically, you would get rid of the hair. And my personal experience is that the hair becomes thinner and thinner. So it's really a nice product. I'm not talking about this one. I'm not paid or sponsored by this. But in general, this technology, the IPL, I think, is called, or like simple said, hair removal device or laser device. They're really cool things. I have never used them on the face because I didn't want to risk anything. But on the hand or basically whatever, it could be used. I know also many people who use this. So this is a quick guide how to do it. Step 1 to razor. Step 2, use the power cord, basically connect the power. Step 3, wear the glass. Step 4, turn on and choose the comfortable energy level. And you need to have 90 degrees, so it should be completely connected like this way, 90 degrees to the skin, basically like this. And basically press it and move on. Afterwards, you need to use the moisturizer on the skin, so to make it more comfortable. So what we have got, really nicely packaged, I would say. So here you have got 3 different compartments, a bit hard to get them out. So let's just use this way. Right. This is how it looks like. Actually, it comes with a kind of plastic cover around it, really nice. As far as I know. Well, actually wrong, there's no plastic cover. It looks like this, really nice in hand. It's like a kind of plastic, and on top of it there's like a very little small glass. I don't know if it has battery. No, there's no battery. Would have been really cool to have a battery. The other model which I have actually used myself, it has a battery as well, which makes it even more effective. So this is the adapter and this is the razor. Let's start with this one. So it comes with, well, a simple razor, and this is the glass. Let's check it out. So this is the glass, just a normal glass, I think. Quite a dark glass, I would say. Just a normal glass, I think. I don't think it's anything specific about this one. So then we have got, what else we have here? So then we have the adapter. Let's connect the adapter and use the device. So this is the adapter. Let's see what we have got inside it. So it is 24 volts, 1.5 amps. So let's open it up, connect it to the power, and then we can use the device and see how it looks like. Quite a nice quality adapter, I would say, and the wire, quite nice wire. Good product in terms of quality, at least. When you turn it on, this is how it looks like. It made a beep. Look, once again, it makes a beep. There is a LCD in here. Let me just make the bubble go away. So it's off. Here I turn it on. So number 1, and starts with 9999, so it's like different colors. So this is like the intensity basically, I think, goes to 9 exactly as it's written in the user manual. There's a fan. Actually this thing could get really hot. So this is the inlet, and this one down below is the outlet. When you connect it to the skin like this, you see it starts blinking, which means it's ready. And this one, the color changes. Check this out. I'm not going to try it now because, well, you need to shave something and do it. I don't want to use it on my hand. But yeah, I mean, it's a sensor. I'm not sure what is this button. Let's check it out on the user manual. So let's go to the description in here. Well, I think we passed it. It's the first page, right? So this is the function button. So what does this do? The first one says intensity. The auto light mode is just for the light. Hair removal, skin, basically, or acne removal. So it's like different modes. This is hair removal. This is for, let's check it out. This is for skin rejuvenation. So I'm not really sure what does this do. So, and this one is for acne removal, the other mode. So you can check it out here. RA. So HR, SC, and RA. And this one is about flashes. So 9999 flashes. I'm not really sure what is this one. There's no description about it even. At least not understandable. Fine. So basically using this, it starts blinking, so you can use it, and then you can just press this one. It won't work without connecting. Nothing will happen. So this thing, I think there are some sensors around here. So in the old days, the technology was like some buttons around. So when you press it, the buttons were pressed. So the device knew it's closed. But seems like this one is like using really a kind of proximity sensor or whatever. So these lamps is the laser lamp. So this is the one which gives the heat through the light, and yeah, that's how this thing works. Pretty simple. Let's turn it off. Nice device, pretty cool, I would say. Slightly smaller than the other ones, I would say, but yeah, nice design, especially with this LED and different modes. It's quite good. Well, that was a very quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.